Looking for the best tape measure for your next project? In this video, we compare the top tape measures for accuracy, durability, standout reach, readability, and overall value. Whether you're a professional contractor, woodworker, or DIY enthusiast, we've got the perfect pick for your toolbox. Watch until the end to discover our top recommendations, and don't forget to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details on each tape measure. Number 1. The Stanley FATMAX 25-foot tape measure, which delivers dependable performance without the heft of a heavy-duty tape measure. Its 11-foot standout blade reach lets you tackle solo measurements with ease, even across larger spaces. A blade armor-coated tip covers the first 3 inches for added toughness, while a mylar polyester film shields the rest of the blade from wear. The 1 1/4 inch blade width keeps markings clear and easy to read, and the cushioned grip supports comfortable extended use. Built-in stud markings at 16 and 19.2 inches streamline framing work, and the multi-catch hook secures materials from multiple angles. Slightly pricier, but the reliability makes it worthwhile. Number 2 is the DEWALT Atomic Compact Series 30-foot tape measure, proving that smaller can still mean stronger. Featuring a 20% more compact grip, it offers improved ergonomics without sacrificing control. The integrated finger brake, a first for this line, gives you precise blade handling for faster, more efficient work. With 13 feet of standout reach, solo measuring becomes effortless, while fractional blade graphics make readings quick and accurate. A durable blade coating extends its lifespan, while the sturdy metal and plastic housing keeps it lightweight yet tough. Accurate to plus or minus 1/16 inch per 10 feet, this tape measure delivers dependable performance for everyday tasks, backed by Craftsman's trusted durability. Number 3 is the Klein Tools 9516 tape measure, combining compact design with rugged reliability, making it ideal for pros and DIYers alike. Its 16-foot nylon-coated steel blade resists wear while maintaining precise measurements over time. A built-in finger brake gives you safe, controlled retraction, preventing the blade from snapping back too quickly. Reinforced with a 5-point housing, this tape measure can handle drops and impacts without missing a beat. Clear, easy-to-read markings make quick work of any measuring task, and the double hook adds extra flexibility for different angles. Budget-friendly without cutting corners on durability or performance, it's a solid pick whether you're tackling a quick fix or a bigger job. Number 4. The Komelon SL2825 Self-Lock 25-foot power tape takes the guesswork out of measuring with its automatic self-locking blade, holding your measurement steady without manual adjustments. A simple push-button release lets you retract the tape effortlessly for quick storage. The nylon-coated blade stands up to daily wear, while the impact-resistant ABS case with rubber overmold protects against drops and rough job sites. Stud markings every 16 inches make it a natural fit for framing and construction work. Combining affordability with dependable performance, this tape measure has earned its reputation as a trusted choice among professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 5 is the FastCap ProCarpenter Standard Reverse Measuring Tape, which blends precision with practical extras that set it apart. Its high-visibility blade reads fractions down to 1/16 inch, while dual standard and reverse markings let you measure comfortably from either direction, handy for left or right-handed use. Beyond measuring, it doubles as a mini toolkit with a built-in pencil sharpener and an erasable notepad for jotting quick notes or sketches on site. A rubber protective boot shields the tape from drops and rough handling, extending its lifespan. Compact enough to clip onto your belt, it's easy to carry wherever the job takes you. A smart, versatile choice for anyone who values convenience alongside accuracy. Number 6 is the Craftsman 25-foot tape measure, which makes precise measuring effortless with its self-locking blade that stays firmly in place until you press the button to retract it. No more hooks slamming back into the case. This smooth, controlled retraction not only protects the tool, but also makes it more comfortable to use over time. Fractions printed directly on the high-carbon steel blade simplify quick reads, while the rubber overmold grip adds extra control during handling.
lightweight at just 0.88 ounces, and accurate to plus or minus 1/16 inch per 10 feet. This red 25-foot tape measure delivers dependable performance for everyday tasks, backed by Craftsman's trusted durability. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best tape measures. We hope this guide helped you find the right option for your projects and budget. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and detailed information on every tape measure featured. See you in the next video.